Hi guys, Amy here from SOAR Hobby, and this is our first episode of Ask AIMEE. Today I'm going to be answering the most frequently asked question of the season, and that's how do I maintain my e-bike for the winter? If your e-bike runs on a lithium-ion battery, please keep in mind that your battery in your bike might have difficulties operating and charging in below freezing conditions. It is best practice to bring your bike and your battery inside for the winter months. If your e-bike runs on a lead-acid battery, it is most likely that you will lose 30 to 40% of your range during the winter months. In negative 30 and negative 40 degree weather, it is plausible that it may damage your battery, so please keep your bike and your battery sheltered from the elements at all times. Our recommendation is to charge your battery fully every 3 weeks to 1 month. You know what they say, a full lead acid is a happy lead acid. Just remember that when your battery is done charging, to please unplug it. If you don't, it will damage your battery and could destroy the charger. Make sure when your e-bike is not in use that you disconnect your battery from the bike. Small things such as the security alarm will constantly drain power and could potentially end up damaging your battery. If you plan on continuing to use your e-bike during the winter months, there's a couple of things that you should keep in mind. 1. If you drive through salty roads in slushy conditions, it would be a great idea to wipe down and give your bike a wash after use. If you don't, the salt can cause corrosion, which will end up ruining your bike. 2. If your sprocket seizes, please bring it in for repair as soon as possible. If not, you could further damage the motor, which will be a much more expensive bill to fix. 3. Drive an e-bike with larger tires for better traction and larger battery for better range. Also, the larger wheels kind of look cool, so. And 4, make sure that you are fully prepared for the elements. Wear a helmet with a face mask or wear goggles, make sure you have gloves, and wear bright colored clothing so that you can be seen on the road. We want you to stay safe and stay warm this winter season.